Welcome back to GlitchSip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip multiple accessories on your Roblox avatar, step by step. First, open the Roblox app and tap the three dots in the top left corner of the screen. From there, go to Avatar to access all your customization options. If you want to equip multiple accessories in the same category, like hats, neck items, or face accessories, there's an extra step you need to follow. Start by selecting an accessory and copying its ID from the item page. Once you've copied the ID, go back to your avatar menu, open Accessories, and then click on Advanced. In this section, you can paste different accessory IDs and assign them to different positions. This allows you to equip multiple accessories at the same time, even if they belong to the same category, giving you much more freedom to customize your Roblox character, exactly the way you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to GlitchSip, and I'll see you in the next video.